Jump starters provide emergency power, restart dead batteries, ensure vehicle reliability, and prevent roadside delays. Today's video is about top 5 best jump starters that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Trekure Jump Starters, the portable car jump starter is a powerful, compact, and reliable solution for vehicle emergencies. With an 8000 A peak current and force start function, it can jumpstart all gas engines and 12.0L diesel engines in seconds, even in extreme temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Its 8 AWG thick jumper cables ensure superior conductivity, while the 18 smaller design makes it easy to store in a glove box or travel bag. Equipped with a 26,800 mAh battery and 18W fast USB charging, it powers smartphones, tablets, earphones, and drones safely with a smart chip, supporting multiple starts per charge and over 1,000 recharge cycles. The 800 lumen LED light offers steady, strobe, and SOS modes for nighttime repairs, emergencies, and signaling. Built for safety, it has 10 intelligent protections and V0 flame retardant materials, guarding against short circuits, overvoltage, reverse polarity, and more. Waterproof, dustproof, and shock resistant, it works reliably in harsh conditions. Easy to operate in 3 steps, this jump starter provides peace of mind and dependable performance for drivers everywhere. Now our second product is Szevzo Jump Starters. The A11 Jump Starter battery pack by Szevzo is a powerful, versatile, and reliable solution for car owners. With 5000 A boosted cranking power, it can instantly start 12V vehicles with up to 10.0L gas and 7.0L diesel engines, including motorcycles, SUVs, trucks, ATVs, and even yachts. One full charge supports up to 50 starts, making it ideal for emergencies or long trips. Beyond jumpstarting, the A11 functions as a portable power bank with 80.66 Wh capacity, featuring 2 USB quick charge ports, 5V/3A, to safely charge phones, tablets, cameras, drones, and more. The auto shut-off function allows the device to stay in standby for up to a year after a full charge for emergencies. It includes a 500 lumen LED flashlight with continuous, strobe, and SOS modes, along with a large LCD display to monitor battery and device status. Built with all-metal clamps and 10 full safety protections, it's safe and durable, compact, practical, and backed by 2-year returns and lifetime technical support. The A11 Jump Starter is a must-have for vehicle safety and convenience. Our third product is Scatach Jump Starters. The powerful 3000 A car jump starter is a compact and reliable solution for every vehicle owner. With 3000 A peak current, it can safely jumpstart 12V vehicles including cars, pickups, motorcycles, boats, RVs, tractors, lawnmowers, and snowmobiles in seconds, supporting up to 50 jump starts per charge. It handles engines up to 9.0L gasoline or 7.0L diesel, making it a versatile tool for emergencies. Designed for portability, it's about the size of a standard power bank, making it easy to carry in your glove box or travel bag. The Smart Jumper includes multiple safety protections, such as spark-proof, reverse polarity, low/high temperature, and overload protection, ensuring safe use even for novices. Beyond jumpstarting, this device works as a power bank, charging phones, tablets, and other devices via USB. The LED flashlight with 3 modes, steady, strobe, and SOS, provides emergency lighting outdoors or during roadside situations. The package includes the jump starter, smart jump cables, USB Type-C cable, storage case, and user manual, backed by 1-year technical support, making it a must-have for safety and convenience. Now number 4, Scatach Jump Starters. The 4000 A car jump starter is a powerful, compact, and versatile emergency tool every driver should have. With a peak current of 4000 A, it can jumpstart engines up to 10.0L gasoline and 8.0L diesel, making it compatible with cars, pickups, motorcycles, ATVs, and even boats. The LED display allows you to easily monitor battery levels, ensuring it's fully charged and ready for use. More than just a jump starter, this device functions as a portable power bank with USB charging, keeping your phones, tablets, and other devices powered on the go. It also features a 3-mode LED flashlight, normal, strobe, and SOS, for emergency lighting in roadside situations or low-light conditions. Built with advanced safety features, it offers spark-proof operation, reverse polarity protection, temperature safeguards, and overload protection, making it safe for both beginners and experienced users. Compact and lightweight, the 7-inch by 3.3-inch by 1.4-inch jump starter fits easily in your glove box or travel bag. Backed by a 12-month warranty, it's reliable, portable, and indispensable for road trips or emergencies. And our last choice is Soramir Jump Starters. The 5000 car Jump Starter Tire Inflator is a versatile and powerful all-in-one emergency tool for every driver. With 5000 peak current and a forced start function, it can reliably jumpstart 12V vehicles up to 7.0L gas or 6.0L diesel, even from extremely low-voltage batteries and in temperatures ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees F. Equipped with a built-in 160 psi air compressor, it inflates tires quickly, filling a car tire from 32 psi to 36 psi in about a minute. The auto shutoff feature prevents overinflation, while 5 preset modes, car, motorcycle, bike, ball, custom, make it convenient for multiple uses. Safety is a priority with 10 intelligent protections, including reverse polarity, overcurrent, and spark-free smart jumper cables, making it beginner-friendly. The honeycomb cooling system reduces battery heat by up to 30 during extended use. This portable device also functions as a power bank, charging phones via USB, and includes a 3-mode LED flashlight for 68 hours of runtime. Compact, durable, and thoughtful, it's an essential tool to keep every driver safe and prepared. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.